Go. Are you guys cold? Water in there. Use your hand to rinse yourself, your face. Like that, yeah. Eee. Go ahead, Meadow. Go, Meadow. Lie down, Meadow. Lie down. Yeah. So what are we unboxing right now? Louder, honey. So we're gonna unbox, guys. Welcome to Team Weso channel, and today we're going to unbox the Natic foam real soap. How many inches is that one? Can you read it?
1 inch.
No, it doesn't.
2 inch.
Feet. I mean, how many feet?
1 feet.
It says it's 6 wipe out. It's foam slide wipe out. Natic foam. Can you show them the pictures?
Yeah.
While you guys are playing with your water sprinklers, you guys can, play with that as well. And don't go down 16 feet. 16 feet. So I'm like, Mama is 4 feet. So it's like 3 times Mama. 3 times of my height. And we can put it down the hill and we can slide. Okay. Right? You can open it and read the label. 16 feet and 4 or 4.8 meters. It slide. Hang on. It says it slide with built-in sprinkler. There's sprinkler already. Oh, so we have to put water in. Oh, there, guys. See? Built-in sprinkler.
And then
So where can we put the water? Where are you going, Max? Maxwell, where are you going? So Natic foam. Clean fun. So where are the sprinkler? Where does the sprinkler? So we gotta put water in here.
Yeah.
So once we slide, I think the water will splash on you. You see? Hey, Max, come on and unbox it now. Looks like fun. So we're unboxing right now. What are we unboxing, Meadow?
Something that you don't know.
Can you unbox the foam itself, Maxwell?
Mama.
Unbox the slide itself.
Ooh. Wow. That's so cool.
Move it there. So we will see. What TikTok?
TikTok.
You're dancing?
Yeah.
Okay, start dancing while Kuya is still. Okay.
Oh.
Alright, stand dancing. Don't push your stomach, Meadow.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, guys, stand up, Meadow. Over here, by Kuya. Go near Kuya.
Okay.
Alright. Stand up and go TikTok.
I cannot stand up.
Well, lift your shirt up so you can stand up.
I'm standing up.
Alright, go TikTok. Move back, move back. you excited, Meadow?
Yes.
Why don't you use the scissors, Max? Uy, use scissors. You can't spray with it right here though in the bedroom. Spray outside. Be careful, not in your eyes.
And outside. Come on.
Not yet. You gotta unbox the other one. You gotta unbox the foam itself at the slide. Help Kuya Meadow. Use scissors, Max. Use your scissors. So it's gonna be fun. You guys are going to have fun when you play with it. We can actually play with that today. It's in 80s. It's kind of gloomy, dark and gray outside, but the weather is not that bad. Not too bad. Okay, show them. Put him on the floor like wide. Spread it out wide so our viewers can see. What is that, Max? What is it? Where's the instruction? So maybe they go in the with the. Okay. Oh, there's instructions. So we have this nail thingy, nails plastics thingy. So the nails plastic thingy, there we have to attach it to the ground. So it doesn't slip. Skate to the ground with provided anchors. So those are the anchors. Roll foam slide onto the ground. Attach garden hose to slide. Oh, we need the hose. Fill with foam and turn on hose. Oh, how fun! After instruction, disconnect garden hose from slide. Pull out anchors and remove the slide. Do not attempt to remove anchors by pulling on the slide. Doing this may tear or damage the slide. Allow slide to dry and roll for future use. Repair patch instruction. Patches are included to repair the sprinkler. Oh, there's patches too. Oh, these are the patches. Oh, there's patches too. Here. Okay, this is what it looks like, guys. It's very, very long. There. It says how many feet, Max? 16. Wow. All the way there. Oh, long. It's better if we put it in the ground. Outside. No, not in our bedroom. Outside.
Oh,
We'll
yeah.
see the temperature.
And this is longer.
But you guys have to put on your...
Longer. This is longer.
Yeah, it goes longer, that one. Roll it in the ground and we can go.
Mama, want to come?
Where?
What's this?
Wow.
This is so low.
It smells like rubber.
This is so low. This is low. It smells like whoa.
Yeah, try.
It's hard. No, I'll take it to go on more. Get it up.
I think you guys should probably find if you put it in here because it's by the... Yeah, try.
Turn the water pressure up.
Yeah, you can do that. Just spray.
I did it. It's not working. That's how it's supposed to be.
don't take off your shorts. No. You can keep your shirt. Go ahead, guys. Max, your t-shirt is, and your, Max, can you move your socks and t-shirt? They're wet already. Put it right here. Mello, you don't need to take off your t-shirt. Put it on. You're a girl. Oh no, but you can put it on. Keep your t-shirt on. Go ahead, guys. You gotta put the what happened to the hooks? There should be the nail, something that attached to the ground. Where are those? Levi, where are those nails? You have to put them there so they keep on the ground. Okay, we have to. You gotta put that nail, Levi. Go ahead, Max.
Where's the nail though? Levi, you run.
Ah!
Oh yeah! Ow. This is not working.
You gotta put that nail. That's why, because it's folded.
Yeah. Hey, did it? No, oh yeah. Where's the nail?
Is it cold, guys? Go ahead, Meadow.
You can get some towels.
You done?
No.
Go rinse yourself. There's water in there. Use your hand to rinse yourself. Your face. Like that, yeah. Yee. Go ahead, Meadow. Go, Meadow. Lie down, Meadow. Lie down. All right. Levi. Yay! Sit down, Meadow.
You have no idea what's all over your hair.
Johnny is red already, huh? Yeah.
I have to take a picture.
Yeah. Go, Meadow. Go. She wants to take her shirt off too.
Oh yeah,
Like the
why not?
boys.
She's little.
Just like the boys. I think the bubbles are gone.
I know that you can do. They have more of this stuff at Walmart. The bubble.
Yes, they have it. I saw it actually. This is 16 feet. This?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead. Okay, Meadow. Okay.